This video is about an online course for learning structural design, which is extremely useful for civil and structural engineers. While my 20 years of experience in the field of structural engineering, I feel there is a requirement of a course by which structural engineers can learn practical design aspects to emulate themselves at professional level. In view of that, I have developed a comprehensive online course titled as Structural Design of Foundations. This course is launched at Udemy digital platform. This course covers structural design and calculations of almost all types of shallow type of foundations with live industry examples. You will learn how to interpret geotechnical reports, extracting force results from STAAD Pro software, define governing load combinations envelope, performing various types of stability checks for foundations, design solutions for the foundations having loads with large eccentricities are also covered, and which is followed by complete RCC design of foundations with limit state method. The most amazing part of this course is structural design of raft or mat foundation with finite element approach in STAAD Pro software. This course will also act as a reference digital engineering textbook for practicing engineering professionals, because each and every design steps provided in this course is referenced with technical literature, design clauses from standards, and international engineering practices. Moreover, ready-to-use Excel worksheets for design calculations are also provided as a complimentary resource download. After completing this course, you will acquire professional competency to deliver any kind of structural design solutions pertaining to shallow type of foundations. The remarkable level of confidence you will achieve because through this course you will have an hands-on experience of design calculations interfaced with structural design softwares like STAAD Pro. I will be there with you to resolve any type of query through question answer section of this course. Link for enrollment is provided in the description section. Please enroll now. Wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.